My third and final altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is Ethereum. I haven't done Ethereum in quite a while, guys, but yeah, this is going to be my third and final altcoin of the day today. Very interesting stuff coming through from Ethereum, actually, because obviously we do have previous all-time highs coming through around 4,362 there. That basically gives me an inclination. We're going to go off candle bodies here to draw a very, very strong trend line coming through there, guys. And the reason why I'm doing this, I'm not doing it to this upside at this point in time. We haven't really had a confirmed reversal yet, so it doesn't really give a congruent reversal point in terms of setting a trend line, right? So something like that, it's not going to be really that valid, right? Because we haven't really seen any sort of reversal. Whereas this previous trend line, you can see this lower high being set, very, very strong reversal coming through there. So yeah, in terms of that's definitely a point to be looking out for in terms of a bounce point for support for the future, because Ethereum's not just going to keep running up, guys. We're at all-time highs near enough. We're probably going to have a pullback fairly soon there. I know 3,800 is fairly ambitious, but it's definitely going to be a level of support to be looking out for if we do see Ethereum pull back quite rapidly. That's going to be a bounce point. In terms of another trend line that we could be drawing in here, guys, is basically going to be signifying a symmetrical triangle, guys. It's a symmetrical triangle at the top of an uptrend for Ethereum. We know what that means. It means it's a bullish pennant chart pattern, guys, and that's obviously a it's a bullish continuation chart pattern, right? It's a bullish continuation chart pattern. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for. Measure move that we are looking for here for a move for Ethereum there, near enough completed there. But what I would say is completion of that measure move is going to be around $5,000 there for Ethereum, and we know just out of public opinion, in a sense, right, $5,000 for Ethereum is a big point, right? It's a massive milestone, so you can expect some sorts of sell-offs coming through there. I really wouldn't be surprised at all. So just be prepared for that. If you did jump into this breakout scenario for Ethereum there, you would have been looking at around a 28% gain there. Really not too bad. Really quite progressive. Let's jump down to the smaller term time frames, see if we can get some sort of gauge in what's happening now. Same scenario, guys. We're actually we're in the middle of a breakout right now, right? We've got a downward sloping resistance line coming through from here, very strong. And also, I would say another symmetrical triangle chart pattern coming through like so. As you can see, the level of support being formed along this zone. Now, what are we seeing? We're seeing a breakout of this symmetrical triangle, a bullish pennant chart pattern, guys. We're seeing another breakout coming through here. It's not looking too bad. I mean, this is the non-greedy measure move, and it's going to be bringing the price of Ethereum all the way up to that 4,760. I always do that. 4,760 there. So that's definitely going to be a point to be looking out for a reversal zone there. That's a non-greedy measure move, guys. Let's get a little bit greedier, right? Get a little bit greedier and see what we can get coming through here. That's obviously going to be bringing up to all-time highs there for Ethereum. It does line up really quite well, actually, for a resistance point there, and that's around 4,849 there. That's just the second measurement. I know a lot of people do their measure moves like this, and they're like, oh my god, yeah, we're going to the goddamn moon. For me, personally, I made 10 times more money doing smaller measure moves and then stagger and take profits all the way up, rather than going for this stupid percent coming through here. It's just, it's greedy and unrealistic in my opinion. And if you want to make more money, do these smaller ones and do them across the board, across all of these loads and loads of altcoins coming through here, and you will make 10 times more money just preying on that without preying on that like 20% move, right? But yeah, so interesting stuff coming through there. In terms of percentages, right, for this gain right now, you could be looking at around a 2.5%, maybe 2.5% there for the first measure move, and then for the second measure move, around 4.39%. All-time high level, guys. I really would expect resistance to be coming through from here. If we are going to bang it out from there, amazing. We do have a volume-weighted ATR band that is definitely going to be acting as a point of resistance there. We do need to take that into consideration here for this zone. Maybe coming up to around that 5K, and that is obviously going to signify that measure move completion there on the longer-term time frame. So yeah, interesting stuff coming through there for Bitcoin, not for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. But yeah, that is going to be your daily update today on Ethereum.